Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to clean your windshield and protect it from winter. I'm gonna put a masking tape in the center. I'm gonna clean this side and show the difference from this side. I'm gonna start cleaning with a regular glass cleaner and wipe it off with microfiber towel. Next, putting the masking tape in the center so we can see the difference. Okay, before doing anything, I'm gonna use medium clay bar. It's gonna take out all the dirt that's been trapped from years. Here's how to use clay bar. Flatten the clay bar, use detailing spray or water as a lubricant, and rub it on the windshield. That much dirt came out after using glass cleaner, so that's how important it is to use clay bar. Now wipe it off and apply rubbing compound. I'm gonna use machine polisher. You can do it by hand as well. I'm gonna mask the edges around the windshield so I don't accidentally damage the paint. Now I'm gonna apply rubbing compound. You can use any brand you like. Start with a low speed and then high speed, horizontally and vertically, with a 50% overlap. Okay, now wiping off the leftover residue and then apply wax. Applying wax in a circular motion and then wipe it off after it gets dry. I don't know if the camera catches it or not, but it's obviously water spot free and even removed the wiper's mark. Here is the polished and waxed side, and here is the other side. You can feel it, it's very rough. Even the water won't stick on the glass, comparing to the other side. And one last thing, replace your windshield wipers or clean them if they are new. I'm gonna clean them cause I bought them months ago. Okay, that's it for me for this video. If the video was helpful, like and subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video.